Hey guys, welcome back to the Hero. It's me and Trinity Johnson. We handcuffed each other for 24 hours. We all do things with one hand. Yes, so let's get started. So I'm having to do something with one hand, so here we go.
I'm not an idiot.
We want to go.
I'm not an idiot. I'm not a snack. It hurt me.
Here you go.
She ate pickles.
Now that's the opioid with one hand. Let's move over here to the table.
Come on, video us.
So we have to eat with one hand even if we have to. I didn't need to. Okay, so this one. Oh. This is weird.
I have to. I'm eating.
You almost used both hands. So, I don't know why we decided to do this.
I decided.
Back out now.
You can't say you because you eat pickles. You're nasty.
No, I didn't. I said us. This is weird. I don't know why we did this. Okay, I'm gonna put that side down and use this one. Really? So what next?
That's a perfect idea. Come on.
Okay, you use one hand to carry it and I'll use the other. Put it in front of us.
So we won't drop it. Okay, you're gonna have to use two hands.
I can't. This is how we have to do it.
My room, my rules.
We can put it over here.
No, we can put it over here.
I farted. Okay.
Okay. So, now, you know what we have to do?
What? I'll stop. Stop.
Don't
Stop that.
Ew. Oh.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, we're gonna have a dance competition.
With one hand?
Yes.
No.
We can do this.
Okay, so we're not doing a dance battle.
So, yeah, we just talked it out, but what was I thinking of to do? Oh, tick-toe.
Oh, take one hand toe.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Take one hack. I said take one hack.
Oh, I'll take my finger.
I'll fix this. My shirt.
No, I want to be first. Wait, don't show them because they're sick. I'll put it.
Here's your pencil. And I'll place this one.
I use both hands to place it.
Okay, how does the tic-tac thing go?
I'll do it. Just like a hashtag. A big hashtag.
Okay.
You can't use hand. You have to use one hand to draw. My hand will be the supporter. You can only use one hand to draw. Okay, ready?
Okay, I'm going first on X.
One hand.
Dang, you be so supportive in. Be patient. I'm blocking you.
Oh. Lose. I'm gonna do it this time.
Hold on.
You don't win.
You didn't either.
I know. I said it at the top. Both of us are gonna lose.
Period!
I'm next this time.
Oh. It's hard to do things with one hand. Either way, you're gonna win.
You gonna put your O. Put it. Put your O.
See,
if
I put my O right here, you're gonna...
I'm gonna either win that way, I'm gonna win that way, or that way. Or this way. This way, this way, this way. Girl, you can't do that. Oh.
It's my turn.
Okay, we'll pause it. We'll be back when we're done playing tic-tac-toe.
None of us won.
I get to pick what's next. Well, I'll be back. I'll just tell you on camera. So what's next is we're gonna try and do a TikTok dance.
Okay.
We're gonna do this one. Okay?
It's like...
Alright?
How does it go?
It's...
Oh, okay, that one. Okay.
Let's go. Pause it. I'm just gonna carry it back with me. I'll pause y'all.
In the hallway.
Okay.
Yes, we do. No, we don't. We ain't got enough
Well,
time.
I'm just doing like you said, you get it ready. We're gonna do it down there so y'all can see it.
Do it on my room. No, we ain't got enough room in there either.
Okay, so Let's do it in the living room. No. Yes.
Trinity. No.
Yes.
No.
After a long break, inspirational fights.
Well, then I ain't doing a TikTok.
Trinity, you have to pick something I get to pick.
Tessa went peacefully to
Well, we ain't got no phone. I just saved it. Okay, y'all get to see us do it at the end of the hallway because that's what we're doing.
I want to let y'all know this is just a baby.
Hold on.
It's nothing.
Yes, it is. It's a rope. Go with me. Come on. Really? You're hurting me.
Do the business.
Come on. Come here, real quick. Come on.
No.
Come here.
See, I told you.
Come on. You're hurting me. Hey.
You go the same way. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go. Look. You leave your head down and go like this, okay? Trinity. We need to do it, but we need to go the same way. So, both our boxes are going to go towards our way. Back. Your room? Yeah, your room. Oh my God. Back up. Look at it, keep on coming. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Remember, turn this in there. Back. That's all I need to do in the living room. You got the Chromebook. Mom, I got the Chromebook. Wait, we have to like... Grab the Chromebook. Okay, just set it up. Right here. We're doing everything right here. And we're watching the look. Watching the movie. On Messenger. Through Messenger, actually. Awesome. Did you turn off 60 seconds? Go. How did you do that in Mexico? How did you do that in Mexico? You can't do that in Mexico. So let's put it up against my face. Oh, they can see us do the dance. Pause it because it's gonna see us. You know what? We're doing this in here. Come on, Lee. I'll put that in there in this video. Well, we need some more colors. I know.
And the jury was very generous and gave him life imprisonment. Now they're going to take him over to the prison in Kansas City tonight.
Alright, so now we're gonna go to bed because it's currently 5 a.m. So we're gonna go ahead and go to bed. No, it's actually 1. Yes, 1 a.m. My bad. My eyes. It's currently 5 a.m. So we're gonna go to bed. So yes, see you in the morning. Okay, so it's currently 6 a.m. which means the handcuff challenge is over. So we're able to get these handcuffs off. So I'm glad the 24 hours is over. I couldn't sleep, so I look like I'm still awake, but it's currently 6 a.m. I look like I'm awake, but I've been awake for a while because I couldn't sleep half the night because the handcuffs kept hurting me. So that's why I look like I've been up, because I couldn't sleep. She slept really good till she's still tired, so we're gonna go back to sleep. So if you enjoyed this 24-hour handcuff challenge, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you, bye.